My name is Adelina and it's my second time here at Yoga Essence. Being a student again here made me realize how incredible this inner journey can be. Incredible, beautiful, and incredible difficult because growth is painful. And on my first course, I was digging in my first layer of my inner journey. It was a soft layer, very easy to dig in, but full of insecurities, traumas. So it was full of insecurities, dramas, traumas. And I thought that I conquered them all. And all I want to do now is just a soft polish. But instead of that, I came here and I was digging in the second layer of my inner journey, and it was not a soft layer anymore. It was full of blockages, full of stones, big hard stones, which was so difficult to break them. But here I am on this great path, facing all my insecurities, healing them and accept them. And what we did here, we've been through various of techniques and tools of asana, pranayama, mantra chanting, kirtan dancing, yoga nidra, meditation practices like kundalini, gibberish. All of these practices, very powerful ones that brings harmony and inner balance between body and mind. All these tools are scientifically designed to experience more transformation, inner transformation, to embrace our inner wisdom, to find our life purpose. And I know that all of us we seek for a life purpose. I was lucky enough to be in a wonderful group surrounded by other beautiful girls, and I know that the universe put us here together for a reason, for a higher purpose, to evolve together, to grow together, to transform each other, to trust each other, to hug, to dance, to sing, to cry, to hug again. Was an incredible experience, and my studies here transformed themselves in a great experience full of gratitude and honest tears. That is the miracle of India, and that is the miracle of Yoga Essence. Thank you, Swami.